djangorestframework serializer errors. U_non_field_ errors. Unit input provided. I'm using djangorestframework, and someone makes a put request to a /people list /2 marker scene, passing in just a person object set in the URL. I fetch the person object, to in this case, and then simply change the fetch person objects field has _been_view to true. The updated person object is then to be serialized and returned back to the client. Serializer errors is U_non_field_errors column, input provided serializer.data, looks fine to me.
You're providing a person instance to be updated by the serializer, but no accompanying data to update that instance with. If you want to deserialize some request data to update that instance with, then you're missing the data argument, for example. However, it sounds like the endpoint you want doesn't actually expect to deal with any input data, it's just an empty put request you're making, right? In which case you don't want / need to be using a serializer at all.
How